What is poppin'? Your girl is back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a story time. I'm back with the story for you. Yes, your girl has got some tea for you today, so period. It's a short little story, but we're just gonna get into this video, y'all. So basically, this was a few years ago. This was my first time ever going to Miami, and we were staying on South Beach. And when I say I literally had the time of my life during this trip, the time of my life, but my friend at the time, horrible for her. Like, literally, I felt so bad at how much fun I had and how much fun she didn't have. Like, I have some pictures, I'll probably insert them in the video of me living my best life. But basically, we had went to Miami because my best friend's birthday was in the summertime, and she was with this guy that they were on and off having problems or whatever. So he thought he would just go ahead and plan her a birthday trip to Miami and let her invite her friends, let his friends come, and it just be a good time. I thought we was bringing the vibes. So we all go to Miami. She goes down a day before. Her and her boyfriend kick it. Him and his friends, they do what they gotta do, you know. Then I come in the next day, you know, party has arrived, because everybody knows.
Oh, I'm gonna do that anyway. I'm gonna do that anyway because that's how I am.
But anyway, I get there. So we go over to South Beach and we just find a little spot. We go over there, have us some seafood, get us some drinks, and it's a vibe. We go over to the beach, all that, doing all that. Then we literally plan to get a party bus and club hop that night. So we get the party bus, and on the party bus, it is just me, my best friend, her boyfriend, and his little friends. So we all get on the party bus, and there's also some other people there. Like, this party bus was lit. Like, if I can find the footage, I'm gonna throw it up in this video. But yeah, the party bus was lit. So we get on the party bus, there's drinks on the party bus, we're drinking, you know, everybody's having a good time, and they drop us off to this little bar. And the bar that was there had open bar. So basically, we sat there for the open bar, got the free drinks, and then we were gonna go to the next location. So we're sitting at the open bar, taking drinks back to back. In the midst of us taking our drinks, my best friend and her boyfriend start getting into an altercation. So while they're arguing, that's none of my business, and the boyfriend's friend is basically acting like that's none of their business either. So me and the friends are just taking shots back to back, trying to make sure we keeping up with each other on the shots. Like, what number you on, what number you on, like that's none of our business. So we're taking the shots, then we leave out of there, and as we're leaving out of there, like, their little arguments kind of escalating, but at the same time I'm still like, that's none of my business. But at the same time, I am like a peacemaker, so I'm like, let me go over here and get this girl. So I go over there, see what's going on. Her boyfriend's basically just explaining to me, like, boop boop wop wop wham to wham, this what's going on, like, she tripping, blah blah blah. So, you know, look at his phone, like, girl, he's talking to a whole boy, leave him alone, let's have fun. So I'm thinking that that's that, and that we're all just gonna put it behind us having fun. So we get on the party bus, and still drinking on the bus, my best friend knocks his drink on him. I don't know if she was playing or what exactly was going on, but he was pretty upset by the drink being dropped on him. So we get out, we're at our next location, and while we're going in there, me and the friends are having the time of our life. We're just partying, you know, and my best friend and the boyfriend get to fighting. Like, literally, she threw her purse across the bar at him. So he like moves away from her, and she follows him, and they're like fist fighting, and he calls security. Bruh. He calls security, like he's really like, get this girl. So they pick her up and take her out the club, and I'm over there really just chilling, having a good time. I look over like now that I follow this girl. So we leave out the club. Well, she was definitely kicked out. Security took her out, and I'm just like, I can't let my friend just be out there. So I go out there with her, and she's just sitting there crying, and I just felt so bad because I was having the time of my life. At that point, I've had enough drinks that I'm okay to go home, but she's sitting there bawling her eyes out, and I'm just like, it really didn't even register to me until the next day of what really just happened. But in the moment, I did not care, and I was just having such a good time, man. But yes, that was the time that we got kicked at the club. And then right after that, yeah, she was blocked. She had to use my phone to call, text him. It was a trip. So yeah, that is the story about how we got kicked out of the club in Miami. So yes, thank you for watching this video, and I will see y'all next time.